name is Fourth Industrial Relation Industrial 4.0 and faculty member of 4.0 and technological developments. Technological developments known as Fourth Industrial Revolution. Industry 4.0 has significant changes in humans' life. New systems, approach methods, management systems are emerging in every area of life. The transformation of society shows itself not only in manufacturing process, but also in inevitable sectors such as education, health, environment areas and services sector. The evolution of societies from the agricultural society to the industrial society, from the information society to the information society, manifests itself not only in manufacturing systems but also in areas where education is inevitable, such as education, health, and the environment. In literature, it is possible that you can observe the concepts of health 4.0, environment 4.0, water 4.0, logistic 4.0, and education 4.0. Education 4.0 will be examined and the possible changes in education systems will be underlined. With Education 4.0 already known, education system merges with the technological developments and it transforms into innovation-dominated structure. For this reason, in the study, the components of Education 4.0 will be explained and in this context. Information on how to perform the systematic transformation will be realized. With the concept of industry, a rapid digital information is triggered societies. In this concept, if possible, developments are analyzed. It is apparent that on the hand, digital dominancy has more effect on in every moment of industrial life. On the other hand, it leads major developments on society. Research draws the attention to the developments that Industry 4.0 application will cause in the society. As an example, OSTAML device and the others can be examined. In the historical process, industrial movement started with the invention of steam engines and it continued with mass production. With the invention of electricity, the development of information technologies and automation created transformation which is beyond the expectations. The impact of this change has survived to the present day and a rapid journey has been taken to a world dominated by digital and autonomous systems. Intensive research are conducted on this subject. Leo and others provided an assessment of case studies as digital manufacturing, integrate communication, network, cyber, physical systems, smart factories manifest the qualities of the products produced and the services offered change. Dimensions are getting smaller, but ingenuity is growing, with products that can make decisions on their own. Produce support by communicating with their users and draw attention to good and bad development in their own structure. On the one hand, life has become more connected with more machines. While new opportunities are offered to people, it is mentioned about obstacles that robots will leave people unemployed and create against people. It's clear that it will not be possible to prevent these developments. There are more positive contributions and benefits than possible negative effects. One of the most effective ways of minimizing negative effects by highlighting benefits is the effective implementation of education systems. This naturally triggers a digital transformation in education system as well. The digital transformation is called Education 4.0. Information systems are related technological possibilities which are one of the main pillars of the information society. Can make machines comment, solve problems, establish and decide relationship, learn, understand that computers can solve solutions to complex problems that they cannot solve under normal conditions, understand the words, climb stairs, play ball, answer questions. It's clearly show that they can communicate, perceive and prioritize events. However, even if some issues have not yet been reached to the desired level, computers machines can talk to each other, go for some purpose, socialize, help each other, support each other, teach each other events, and even do studies on above issues. Important developments are witnesses. The communication process of the education for zero. Education for zero, it is not wrong to say that innovation has become the dominant position in education systems with the Industry 4.0 transformation. More precisely, it will be possibly for educational institutions performing innovation-based education to be successful in the coming years. Educational institutions, as Aslan Gilay pointed out, will not only see innovation as a key component of the education systems, but to go beyond it to increase to the competitiveness of the world with the effect globalizations. In education, it will be inevitable need to use the educational tools visualists intensely or in the education 4.0 environment. Training new technologies that will keep pace with social transformation will be considered as one of the basic needs. In this period, lifelong learning will be one of the main missions of educational institutions. Development of skills such as leadership, collaboration, creativity, digital literacy, effective communication, emotional intelligence, entrepreneurship, global citizenship, teamwork, and problem-solving skills, and guaranteeing the quality of skills will be counted as the knowledge. From this point of view, education 4.0 should not be seen only as an education system focusing on critical analytical thinking, uncovering innovations, productivity, responsibility, and multicultural knowledge sharing. Career development will be inevitable.